Archive orders on Amazon app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can archive orders on Amazon app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to archive orders on Amazon app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application over here. Once you launch the Amazon shopping application over here, you should be able to see this type of interface. And let's say that you happen to order something and that you want to go ahead and then basically archive them because you've already received the product. You don't want to see them in the orders page. You have to just go to the profile icon right from the bottom here and then just go to the option called your orders, which is at the very top of the screen. And when you go to the your orders tab, you should be able to see a list of orders that you have made, and then you will be able to archive them accordingly. You'll find the archive option right next to the order. This way you'll be able to archive orders on the Amazon app. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.